वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। Which country has recently launched a climate monitoring satellite on its H2A rocket? Option 1 France, option 2 Japan, option 3 China, and option 4 India. And the correct answer is option 2 Japan. What is the theme of National Doctors Day 2025? Option 1 Celebrating Resilience and Healing Hands, option 2 Save the Saviors, option 3 Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers, and option 4 Zero Tolerance to Violence Against Doctors. And the correct answer is option 3 Behind the Mask, Who Heals the Healers. The state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Pratigya scheme. Option 1 Orissa, option 2 Madhya Pradesh, option 3 Jharkhand, and option 4 Bihar. And the correct answer is option 4 Bihar. Which ministry has released the report titled Value of Output from Agriculture and Allied Sectors? Option 1 Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, option 2 Ministry of Agriculture, option 3 Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, and option 4 Ministry of Finance. And the correct answer is option 3 Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The PM Mitra scheme is associated with the which industry? Option 1 textiles, option 2 food processing, option 3 automobiles, and option 4 renewable energy. And the correct answer is option 1 textiles. Option 1 Abdul Muhsin Muhammad Sajjad, option 2 Sahnwaz Hussain, option 3 Abdul Ghaffar, and option 4 Zakir Hussain. And the correct answer is option 3 Abdul Ghaffar. Who prescribed the Bankepur Congress Conference organized in Patna? Option 1 Karpuri Thakur, option 2 Rajkumar Sukla, option 3 Raghunath Singh Madholkar, and option 4 Rajendra Prasad. And the correct answer is option 3 Raghunath Singh Madholkar. In which year Megathens arrived Patliputra? Option 1 290 BC, option 2 330 BC, option 3 320 BC, and option 4 315 BC. And the correct answer is option 4 315 BC. Which of the following is main byproduct of sugar mill of Bihar? Option 1 sugar, option 2 sweets, option 3 zagri, and option 4 none of these. And the correct answer is option 1 sugar. Who built a fort in Jama Masjid in Darbhanga? Option 1 Said Sasuri, option 2 Muhabbat bin Tughlaq, option 3 Alauddin Khilji, and option 4 Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. And the correct answer is option 2 Muhabbat bin Tughlaq. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।